All right, guys. I have to go outside and check on my vehicles. I have two trucks out here that's actually been here a while. My scrap trucks, my two trucks that I use to carry scrap metal in, guys. Y'all see they redoing a lot, so basically I have to move them so they can. Y'all see that big pile of dirt right there? Yes, I did not know how important dirt was. Okay, now if you look over there at the lot, you can see where they been doing some construction work. Well, anyway, it's time to come in this area, and I have to move my vehicles. Okay, I have no problem with that. The only problem as I have is I done forgot the condition of them. I think my red truck is on flat, and I've been talking about getting a tire for that truck for the last, gotta be 2-3 months, I know. Yeah, look, there's still a lot of junk on here. I put a load on here a while back now. Some of this stuff I do not look familiar, guys. So somebody been back here adding stuff. This is my gray. Somebody in the comment section asked me about my Dodge Dakota. And that's my red Nissan. As far as my Dodge Dakota go, oh, it overheats the fan. Y'all remember my last trip? I went to the scrap yard. Tag that video right here. I overheated on the way to the junkyard. Okay, and I made it back, but the fan went out. I need a fan. See, somebody, they just come back here and add rotors on here. Now the rotors, they not really lucrative, guys. The real thing that's lucrative is the aluminum. Okay, I can get a little chunk for this transmission. So I think when the guys go around the shop and clean up, they JT keep junk, keep scrap. Now what is that plastic? There's no worth in that. Very little worth in rotors, but for some reason they find a reason to come back here and dump they junk on here. I have no problem with that, except for it's not running. So the next time, guys, I can easily drive this truck to the scrapyard just like this. I will have to go extremely fast because remember, I'll be dealing with ram air. Ram air can keep your cooling system cool. Because ram air basically do the same thing your cooling fan gonna do. Instead of pulling air through the radiator like a fan would do, ram air would be pushing airflow through the radiator. Okay, that's basically the same thing. And look at all this stuff, guys. I'm starting to be convinced. Maybe I am a hoarder. Somebody called me a hoarder the other day. I don't know. I just hate to throw it away. Remember we had to clean the shop up. And a lot of stuff I just couldn't fix my heart to throw away. Although, like heads. Why am I hanging on to these heads? These look like 2.4 liter PT heads. Anything with a 2.4 in it. Transmission stuff. Why? Transmission overhaul kits. I don't know what this stuff is. Some of this stuff going on eBay, guys. So I just gotta. It's about time. I have no freaking time, guys. Every time I want to plan to do something, it's just not enough time in the day. Overhaul kits, I think I had the parts I needed one time when I was building the overhaul kit, and I didn't want to open this part just for that, so I ended up using my parts and buying the rest of the parts. It was like $4 or $5. That way I would get to keep this seal kit sealed and call it brand new, which it is. It's still brand new. But that's the status on my Dakota. It runs. There's nothing wrong with it. Just junky. Okay. Legal? Not legal. It's not legal. I got to put insurance on it. Now, my poor little Nissan truck. What is going on over here? See, I'm right by the dirt, so they got to bring all these trucks over here to get. Oh my goodness. People just adding stuff on here. See, I'm on a flat. I remember the last time I took a scrap run, I was complaining about this. This tire just dry rotting, guys. It's not even worn out. It's just old and dry rotted. And the chances of me having a flat is greater. And the chance of me changing the flat is slimmer. I don't even know what a spare tire is. The jack or anything. It's just. See, this is not really lucrative. Door panel. I mean, that's a little lucrative, but is it enough to just. Okay, somebody just decided to bring a, what is this, refrigerator, AC unit? Somebody just, this is a good place for it. Now that tire, that's my spare, will fit my car. I hope it still got air in it. Cause matter of fact, I'm gonna make that my priority, guys. Good batteries. I will be ordering my tire from Walmart, like I had to do the last time. Order from Walmart and get this done. Perfectly good running truck, guys. 1993 Nissan hard body truck. All right. Yes, I don't even have 100,000 miles on this truck. When I moved here from Texas, I put it on the back of a U-Haul hauler and pulled it here. No, I didn't drive it because I had all my tools back here. This is when I first moved to Georgia from Dallas, Texas. I brought everything with me. Toolbox on the back and the whole truck on a puller. Nothing but junk. That is a smoke machine that they say was broke. I don't think it's broke. I can fix that. I'm going to fix it. It's just one little problem. I need time. I have no time. It's just not enough time in the day. More rotors. Look, beer bottles. I don't freaking drink beer. So how did this stuff get in my vehicle? I don't know. But that is the status of my, it's this transmission tore apart. I didn't even, see, I got to upload this video. This is the HP ZF transmission. I replaced it. It wasn't a core charge on it, so I tore it apart so you guys could see what's going on inside of that transmission. Makes for some good watching video content material, but I have yet to edit it and upload it. Time is just not on my side, guys. I don't know, got a lot on my plate, but status on my two vehicles, I have to move them. More construction work on the way, more construction work coming. I love my truck. I inherited this truck from a good friend, Dr. P. He gave me this. He was finna junk it or something. It wasn't past emission. He just said, come get it, man, come get it. Just get it out of my life. You know, I don't want, because if you sell anything to pull apart, they'll give you $200 or $300. So I just gave him what they would have gave him, you know, and voila, I have me a new scrap truck. Nothing luxurious about it. It ain't like it's not even an everyday car anymore because it's not legal. I don't even misplace the title he gave me. So in order for me to make this legal, he will have to order another title and then give it to me, and then I sign and all that. But I'm not with all that. So guys, my two vehicles, that's what I'm up against. We'll see what happens, guys. I gotta find the key, jump the cars off, get a jump box, all that good stuff. We'll go from there. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.